Hello guys, and welcome to another exciting video on this channel. In this video I'm going to show you 5 ways, the legal ways that you can earn money online, whether you want to work from home or maybe you have a small business already and want something on the side, or maybe you are doing a 9 to 5 job, maybe in shift or something, and need something extra to spend your time, and in the same and at the same time you want something to come in your pocket. So these 5 ways are actually what I think the major ways. There are several ways you can actually categorize them, but in my opinion these are the main 5 ways in which you can actually earn money online. And I remember when I started this whole online business thing, trying to figure out how I can actually earn money online, and there are a lot of things that I had to search, and there are a lot of scams that I had to deal with. Something looks promising, and then later on you find out that that was a scam. And I know some people who have lost a lot of money because of those scams. Without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, the first thing, or you can say the easiest way, is that you can do is to sell goods online. There are several websites, major, as you can see, the Amazon, the eBay, or maybe you have local websites in your own country through which you can actually sell goods, whether these are the new goods or maybe second-hand goods, old goods. You can sell them online. You need to create an account on the website, and then you can put your pictures of the goods online and then start selling them. And this is a very good option for those people who already know a little bit about their goods, and they have already a little bit of experience of selling goods, maybe in their job or something like that. Also, so this is I think the easiest way to do easiest way to actually earn money online, because you don't have to actually deal with any kind of long writing something or something like that, or maybe create video like YouTubers do the video creation or something like that, or maybe blogging. You don't have to do like that. And most of the time everything else is actually handled by the companies themselves. You just have to provide your goods and ship them to the customers whenever you make a sale. Okay, the second thing is freelancing. Now if you have some skills, you have maybe some educational degree or something like that, and you can actually provide your skills to the clients online through different freelancing platforms, for example like Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer, or maybe you can create your own website. If you already have the clients, you can create your own website and you deal with them directly. Now this is a good way to actually I think make a stable way of stable earning. Monthly you will get some clients, or maybe the client needs some work monthly, and you do the work, and then they will pay you. And another thing that you need to know is that if you have some skill, and it doesn't mean if you have proper certificate of that sale or something like that, but if you are able to do some work properly, and your work is actually good, you are really good at it, people will actually pay you for it. You just have to show your work to them, that this is the work that I can perform and this is the work I can do for you. They will actually pay you. In the same way, I have started when I started doing graphic design and providing my graphics related services. I didn't have a proper certificate or something like that, but with time I actually learned a lot of stuff, and then when I showed the clients my previous work, they were willing to actually pay higher and higher. As your ranking grows on these freelancing platforms, your rating grows, then you will get actually better clients. Okay, the third thing is actually selling art. If you are an artist, you are a cartoonist, you are really good at drawing, or maybe you are a graphic designer, you can actually create templates. Maybe you are do some kind of animation and you create animated templates, for example After Effects templates, or maybe Photoshop templates. Anything that had to do with art and creativity, you can actually sell your art online. And there are different ways you can actually sell your art online. The easiest way is that if you have skills to create some templates. You can create templates and sell them online through different platforms. For example, there is Envato, and there are other Microstock agencies like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, Dreamstime, and there are several Microstock agencies that you can search online. Also, you can put your art on actual products, and then the company will actually print those products and create those products and sell them. You just have to provide your art or maybe any kind of graphics. And also in the same way, if you have like photography skills, you have a videography skills, you can actually sell those photos and videos online as well. Also you can put your photographs on different products, maybe on phone cases or something like that, and sell those as well. So that is another easiest way to sell on earn money online if you have tools, and also you have really good skills, artistic skills. The fourth one is actually affiliate marketing. So this is something is better for those who already have a little bit of online following. Maybe they have a large following on Facebook, maybe Twitter, Instagram, or maybe on YouTube. So if you have a large following, this is actually better for you, because you will be actually selling something towards your fans, or maybe towards your people, towards your followers. For example, if you have a YouTube channel and there are a lot of subscribers, and you can actually sell different type of programs, different type of products that you review, you can sell them as well. Also there are a lot of different scams in this affiliate marketing type of business. So you have to actually be really careful about that, because not everything is actually clear in these fields. Sometimes if you are working for a company, you are selling their products or something like that online, and then when you ask them the money, and they actually refuse it. So that is actually a little bit a risky thing, but if you have a large following, you can actually deal with it. There is nothing to be afraid of. Okay, the fifth thing is actually teaching. You have some knowledge, you might have some skill, as I already said. Maybe you have artistic skills, you can draw better or create some graphics or something like that. You can actually teach those skills online, and create courses, or maybe just create YouTube videos, and maybe you start blogging and creating explaining the process of creating something like that, all those skills. If you can actually teach those skills to your students, or you can actually think that you can actually teach well, then this is the way to go. I think the teaching is actually well done if you actually enjoy the process. So if you enjoy the teaching, making other people learn something, and you feel good about it, and then this is the way to go. There are different websites on which you actually create courses on different subjects based on your skills, and Skillshare is actually Skillshare is actually one of them, so make sure that you check that out as well. And the easiest way is actually create YouTube videos explaining this all the process of creating something or like that, or maybe teaching. You maybe are really good at math, start teaching math, or any kind of thing that you could think you can actually teach to your to other people. So all the five major groups are actually I think I have explained. And for the last thing, as a bonus, there is another thing, is that entertainment. Maybe you think you are a really good entertainer, you like to tell jokes, or maybe you like to do some kind of pranks on your friends or something like that. So you can start actually vlogging on YouTube, creating an entertainment. Maybe you are really good at doing some kind of funny sketches or something like that. You can you create those as well, and you can earn money through advertising through YouTube or maybe on Facebook. So there are different platforms you can actually do that as well. Maybe you can actually create comics, you can draw better, create funny comics and put them on your Facebook page, or maybe on Instagram, and through Instagram, if you have a lot of following, then you can actually start doing affiliate marketing and stuff like that as well. So that is another easy way for you to actually earn money if you think you are really a really good entertainer. So basically these are the 5 ways, in my opinion, 5 major ways through which you can actually earn money online. For me personally, I usually do selling my art, my graphics online, doing templates work and selling it through Microstock websites and other graphics websites. And also I do print on demand, selling my art on different actual products as well. Also I do freelancing, and that has been really helpful for me in actually learning something, because sometimes the client wants something and that is a challenging task, and after doing the challenging task you have actually learned something new, some new skills as well. So so these are some of these points that I will explain in this video, what are actually in my personal experiences and personally tested by me. So you can choose any of these based on your likeness, based on your the way you actually do things. And hopefully this video have been really helpful for you and you have learned something from it. And if so, make sure that you subscribe to my channel, because on this channel I actually do different kind of tips and different strategies and different ways you can actually earn money online. So that's all, and thank you for watching. Hi, thank you for watching another video. And if you have made this far, it means you have found something interesting in this video. This channel is all about sharing tips about earning a decent living online, and if you are interested in this topic, make sure that you subscribe to my channel. Thank you.